International? I know, mind blown. The importance of a support system and the simple company of others cannot be understated, especially when you're studying architecture. As a human being, we need a sense of belonging. And that sense of belonging is what connects us to many relationships we develop. For this reason, I don't want this channel to just be about me, my supplies, my sketches, and my renders. I want it to be about us. A place where like-minded people connect together, help each other, and learn from one another. Growing up, I had many friends, thankfully, but as I grew older, I found subjects that interest me that don't exactly interest my friends or my family. And what is so annoying is that no one could ever understand us and relate to us unless they are part of the architectural education. I realized that this situation isn't uncommon. So I have decided to start a community and community activities where you can finally make friends that does what you love and love what you do. The first announcement is that I posted a post on Facebook page that I will have linked in the description, which is the list of videos I am planning. So I need you guys to comment on it and say which one I should film next. That way you guys can decide exactly what you want to see, because I don't think it's fair that it's only my ideas on the channel. The next post is an icebreaker, where everyone needs to share something interesting about themselves. And that will get us talking to each other and just make everything a little bit less intimidating to reach out. Mine is, I'm scared of butterflies. Guys, we are almost at 10k subscribers and we don't even have a community name. I am so sorry, I feel like I failed, but I guess it's better late than never, right? So thank you so much for everyone that subscribed. I can almost guarantee that you are in for a treat. So please choose one of the names that I have posted on Facebook, or leave me in the comments another example, because I suck at making names. I have also started a discussion, and there will be a weekly discussion post so that everyone can share their voice and opinion of architecture. And of course, all skill levels are welcome. A few of you have already sent me some of their work on my surviving email, which is survivanstudio@gmail.com, and I am very grateful and very proud of everything that has been sent to me. So I was thinking about having special videos dedicated to giving my feedback to your renders, sketches, portfolio, anything really. And it's a win-win situation for everyone, because really everyone will end up learning from each other. So send me anything that you want to be submitted into the critiquing videos to my survivingstudio@gmail.com. I have saved the most exciting idea to the end. So I thought we could do a monthly meetup. I have already curated an event 2 months from now. It's gonna be something very informal, just some coffee, pizzas, and cakes maybe. Maybe we can all play cards together, or if you guys want to do something intellectual, then we can do that too. I do realize that some of you might not be in the UK, so my idea was to make this international. Yes, international! I know, mind blown. So, my idea is that I first need to know exactly how many people are interested in this event, which if you could leave me in the comments down below that you are, and where are you from. Next, whoever wants to volunteer to help organize the event for that country, I will assign him or her as an ambassador. And then we can organize small gatherings, nothing fancy, just a get-together. But obviously we do need a lot of people interested in coming before we can organize for that country. So we can do them at different dates, or even the same date, and then everyone can Skype. That should be fun. And I don't expect any technical issues to happen. No, not at all. But for now, there will be a meetup in November, either in Birmingham or Wolverhampton, because I need to see how many people are interested first. So please let me know if you'll be able to attend on the post. The last thing is, I'll be testing my skills while going live. So I either go live and answer questions while doing a render, or maybe you guys can make a challenge for me and I'll try to render that. Or maybe we can just chat and you guys get to know my awkward, sarcastic personality a little bit better, and I get to know yours too. I don't have that planned yet, so leave me in the comments what do you think about this one and what you guys else have in mind. So that is all the comments or the announcement that I have for today. I hope you guys are as excited as I am for all of this to start kicking in. I'm Rasha Shururu, and I'll see you next time.